Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you my experience with taking ashwagandha, a natural supplement that helped me cope with stress, support my energy levels, and manage my emotions. Ashwagandha is a herb that had been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine, a traditional system of healing from India. Ashwagandha is known as Indian ginseng or winter cherry, and it has many health benefits. Some of the benefits of ashwagandha are: it can normalize cortisol levels, which are the hormones that cause stress and anxiety. By reducing cortisol, ashwagandha can help you feel more calm and relaxed. It can reduce inflammation, which is linked to many chronic disease and aging. Ashwagandha can also boost your immune system and protect you from infections. It can improve your memory and cognition by enhancing your brain function and preventing oxidative damage. Ashwagandha can also help you learn new things and focus better. It can support your energy levels and endurance by increasing your oxygen consumption and blood flow. Ashwagandha can also help you recover faster from physical exhaustion and prevent fatigue. I started taking ashwagandha about a month ago after hearing about its benefits online. I was feeling very stressed and overwhelmed because of social media and my personal life, and I needed something to help me cope. I decided to give ashwagandha a try, and I ordered it on Lazada. I'll share the shop link in the video description. I take 1 capsule of ashwagandha extract every night. Since I started taking ashwagandha, I have noticed a significant improvement in my mood and well-being. I feel more calm and balanced, and I don't get easily irritated and anxious. I also sleep better at night and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Ashwagandha has also helped me with my home workouts, which I do 4 times a week. I have more stamina and strength. I can perform better and for longer. I also recover faster from the exercise, and I don't feel sore or tired the next day. Ashwagandha has been a game changer for me, and I highly recommend it to anyone who wants to improve their health and happiness. It's a natural and safe way to deal with your stress, support your energy, and manage your emotions. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find it helpful and informative. If you did, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comment section if you have any questions or feedback about ashwagandha or if you have tried it yourself. See you in my next video.